Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to change capital letters into lowercase in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have a set of data that we want to convert from capital letters into smaller caps or lowercase. Next, go ahead and select on any empty cell. The cell beside our data seems to be convenient, so let's go ahead and select that. Now, type the equal sign in your keyboard. Next, go ahead and type the lower function. Once you type the function, you can either hit tab or type an open parentheses. Let's try hitting tab. Next, the syntax of the lower function should show. It's quite simple as you just need to click on a text. In this case, let's select the data in cell B3. And let's close the function up and press enter. Once we do so, we are given the result of Christian but in lowercase. Now, we can apply this to all of the items within the list by just dragging the lower right corner of the cell all the way towards the end of the list. And there we go. The good thing about this is that whenever we try to update the source cell, let's add many letter S, the lowercase version of it also updates. To change that, all you have to do is copy the cells on the lowercase column, right click, and click on this paste option over here that shows numbers. This is also called pasting values. This allows us to actually get the data of the cell without being affected by the source cell. Now, if we change the source cell, nothing will happen to the lowercase cells. And there we have it. This is how we change the capital letters into lowercase in Microsoft Excel.